for Shop Talk. Sure, nothing quite like the sound of a fine-tuned McCulloch chainsaw. This one was a high-performance saw, model 740, made in 1963. They only made these for a year. 99 cc's. Got this from the original owner. He'd had this ported and tuned probably 25 years ago, and been in the barn ever since. It's got a new old stock. It's brand new, but it's been sitting on the saw forever. A 36-inch general bar, roller nose, and a 404 skip tooth chain. Now we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Got an oil button on the left side, kill switch right in the middle, and it's got a primer on the right. This actually has a primer carburetor. Show you what it looks like. It does work. Got a brand new air cleaner. But there's that carburetor. And right here is the little primer on the side of it. And you just pump this and it pushes a little cylinder right here, primes that carburetor. Decompression valve right here, just lift it up and makes it turn over a lot easier. Very high compression engine. Without that, it is very difficult to turn over. It's got the double falling spikes, wrap handlebar, and of course the starter's on the right side as you're holding the chainsaw. And it's got this, what we call the hood. Undo this screw right here, and this opens up to easy access your spark plug and the muffler. And it's got this, let's look at this bar. This was made in Tigard, Oregon. It's a general bar. It's been on that saw for years and just been in the barn. We always talk about barn finds, and this is one of the better ones I've found. It's very clean, good, strong running chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.